Welcome to the Amags Global YouTube channel, your partner in consultancy, sourcing, international trade and logistics. Today, we would like to tell you more about the services we provide and why you can rely on us. Hello everyone, my name is Senya and I'm a marketing specialist from Amags Global. Let me tell you more about our company and what do we actually do. So first, what is Amags Global? Amags Global is a strategic sourcing solution company specializing in the global supply and export of products and items from China. Amags Global is based in Barcelona, Spain, with offices and operators in mainland China and Lebanon. We have an extensive network of collaborators, partners, and suppliers in China, enabling us to deliver customized services to meet the specific needs of our clients. Amags Global provides four main services. Amags Global provides you with consultancy services related to Chinese market. We are always pleased to help you whether you would like to discuss quality control, sourcing strategies, challenges with Chinese suppliers, or validation of Chinese-based companies. We do factory visits to be sure of the quality of the products we provide. The knowledge and experience gathered over the years, our position in the Chinese market, and our vast network of local expertise mean we can conduct factory inspections and implement quality controls as well as offer a detailed study and research of any company that you request to clarify your doubts and ensure that your project will deliver high-quality products made in China. Our strategic sourcing solutions involve sourcing products from China by searching for the right supplier that fits best with you, also managing the delivery times of your cargo from China to meet your deadlines, and validating all the documentation and certificates. Customers will be provided with our market study, our regulatory assessment, on-site inspection, and our strategic recommendations after identifying and evaluating every option in detail. Amags Global, as a part of its business diversification strategy and in search of more solutions and alternatives, presents the B2B line of businesses. This is the direct marketing of Chinese and international products without intermediaries for our clients. Amags manages the logistics for you. Each product is distinct and it has its own set of requirements. We find the most cost-effective logistical options and provide a high-quality service. Depending on the qualities and unique demands of our clients' goods, we employ the appropriate type of transportation: sea, air, or inland transportation. Amags manages all the demanding and time-consuming administrative work and can meet your needs with any type of freight shipping service delivering your cargo from China. Companies work with us to simplify their fulfillment needs, increase their customers' achievements, reduce their cost by 35%, and drive their future business growth in globalized markets since we offer the complete set of customized solutions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have more questions, you can visit our website, send us a message on social media, or just drop your question in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.